Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a quick and easy ground beef and garlic vegetable stir fry. So let's get started. Here we have a quarter cup of soy sauce. And to that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And we're going to stir that up. Okay. Now we're going to set our burner to medium and let our pan heat up. And we're going to put a little oil in the pan. And we're going to take our ground meat here, which is a quarter pound all beef hamburgers. We got 3 of them. So we're going to put them right in there. Now they're froze, so we're going to let them defrost a little. Okay, we're going to cover them and defrost them. It should take maybe a couple minutes. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. Let's break up our burger. Yeah, I like to leave them pretty big chunks. You can break them up as small as you want though. That smells pretty good, that all beef patty. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of salt on this. A little bit of pepper. Tiny bit of garlic. Some onion powder. And we're going to stir that in. Now we don't want to overcook our meat here because we got to add it to our vegetables and everything. Let's cover that and let that cook just a little while longer, maybe another 2 minutes. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Yeah, that looks really good. Let's lower our heat. And let's get our meat out of there. Boy, that smells really good. Beautiful. Okay, now we'll put that aside for now. Now we're going to turn up the heat to medium and let our pan get nice and hot and let some of the liquid there evaporate off. Okay, most of the liquid has evaporated off. The pan's nice and warm. We're going to add just a little bit of oil in the pan. And then we're going to take our vegetables here. Beautiful. And we're going to put them right in there. And we're going to stir fry them. Now we're going to cover them and let them get a little bit more tender. Okay, let's see how we're doing here with our vegetables. Yeah, they're steaming good. Nice. Okay, we're going to cover them and let them get a little bit softer. Okay, let's see how our vegetables are doing. Yeah, they're done nice. Okay. Alright, now we'll put them to one side here. And I'm going to put a little more oil in the pan here. And we're going to take our garlic and put it right in there. It's 2 tablespoons of garlic. Boy, that garlic smells really good. Now we're going to add some butter. Boy, this is smelling good already. Okay, our garlic's just about done here. Keep getting an onion in the way there, but that's alright. Okay, now we're going to take our ground meat here, and we're going to dump that right in there. And mix that in with the garlic. This is where a nice big pan comes in handy. You can actually like separate them. Separate your vegetables from your meat. There's that onion again. Okay, to that we're going to add maybe 2-3 ounces of water. And we're going to mix that together. Okay, now we're going to add our egg noodles or pasta noodles. It's about a 1/4 pound here. Okay, now we're going to mix that in. Boy, you should smell this. It smells wonderful. Okay, now we're going to reduce the heat. And then we're going to take our soy sauce. And don't forget to stir it up. You know, you got the cornstarch in there. And we're going to dump that right in there. And we're going to stir it around. Wow, that really looks tasty. Okay, now all we have to do is plate that up. That sounds good. Okay guys, doesn't that look nice and tasty? Okay, we're going to put just a little more salt on. Just a little bit. A little bit of pepper. And you can add a little bit more garlic if you want. And we're going to put sesame seeds on to make it look nice. There you go. There you have it guys. A quick and easy ground beef and garlic vegetable stir fry. With yellow onions, red bell peppers, green bell peppers, and carrots. Now you can't beat that right there. Beautiful. Okay, let's get into a little bite here. Let's try the meat. Nice. Oh yeah. Nice and tender. Beautiful. Man, you're going to enjoy this one. Yep, the garlic flavors are wonderful. Boy, is that tasty. Yep, you know what would go good with that? Right there? Yep, you guessed it. A nice wobble pop. And I don't know if we can eat all this, but maybe I'll call up a neighbor or two. That sounds good. Good.